Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best sunrise alarm clock. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs, promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best sunrise alarm clock for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. A sunrise alarm clock is more than just a gadget, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Designed to mimic the natural progression of daylight, these clocks gently wake you up with gradually increasing light, simulating the rising sun. This is a game changer for those who struggle with traditional alarms that jolt you awake with sudden sound. The gradual light progression stimulates your body to wake naturally, aligning with your circadian rhythm. This is particularly beneficial during darker winter months or for anyone needing to wake up before sunrise. Many models also combine light with customizable sounds, like birdsong or ocean waves, creating a serene start to your day. When shopping for a sunrise alarm clock, look for features like adjustable brightness, multiple alarm sounds, and a snooze option. Some advanced models include color customization, sunset simulations to help you fall asleep, and even integration with smart home systems. Investing in a sunrise alarm clock not only improves your mornings but can also positively impact your overall mood and energy levels. It's a small change that promotes a healthier, more natural wake-up routine. If you're ready to upgrade your mornings, a sunrise alarm clock might just be the key to brighter days ahead. Thanks for watching the video.